Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put your JBL Clip 5 speakers into pairing mode. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their JBL Clip 5 speakers and you're wondering how to go ahead and put it into pairing mode. Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is power on your JBL speaker. So press the power button right over here for about a second. So 1 second, let go, and then the speaker is going to go ahead and turn on. Now, to turn it into pairing mode, the button next to that, which is this button here, go ahead and hold that button down until the light here starts to blink. So as you can see, you hear a sound, like a guitar string sound, and then that's going to indicate that it's ready to start pairing. So we should see this light start to blink. So there you go, that guitar sound, and now the light is blinking. That is how you go ahead and put your JBL Clip 5 into pairing mode. Now you can go ahead and find this device on your iPhone, your iPad, your laptop, or anything else. But if you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comments down below.